Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Snapchat. Could not send, please try again, problem solve. This problem causes by few reasons. Now we will show you how to solve this problem very easily. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click settings. Click apps. Click app management. Find Snapchat. Click Snapchat. Click storage use. Click clear data. Then click OK. Click force stop. If you are a Wi-Fi user, your Wi-Fi problem might be the solution for Wi-Fi users. Click data use. Then turn off both options. Then open Google Play Store. Then search Snapchat. Click Snapchat. If you get any update, please update. Then restart your phone. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.